The quick order form allows multiple lines of products to be added quickly to your basket. It is a great way of saving time if you order the same product on a regular basis. In this short video, we're going to show you how to use the quick order form. You will find the quick order form on the home page. Type in your order codes and quantities as you would normally do. Make sure they are in the correct format. Personalised order codes can also be entered in the quick order form. If you have more than 5 codes to enter, click More Lines to open the form in a new page. Over 50 lines are now available.